Hi everyone, welcome to Linkstyle. Today we're introducing our temperature and humidity sensor. When you receive your package, first thing you'll have is your manual. Here is your sensor, and then inside is a stand and double-sided adhesive. To turn on your device, what you want to do is pry open the back plate, pull the battery tab. Okay, after your device is powered on, you want to set your Celsius or Fahrenheit. To do that, you push the button next to the battery 2 times quickly. So 1, 2, and it changes it to Fahrenheit. Then you put your backing back on. Now you want to add it to your Linkstyle app. In order to use the smart features for your temperature sensor, you would need to install your Nexohub gateway to your Linkstyle app. First thing you'll want to do is download your Linkstyle app by scanning the QR code. Once you do that, you want to plug in your device. As soon as it's powered on, it is in pairing mode. Once you have it in pairing mode, go to your add device. Okay, now that your gateway has been successfully added, you can rename it. I name mine my Nexohub, and you're done. Now all of your Bluetooth and Zigbee devices can be controlled remotely. To put your sensor into pairing mode, you hold down the button for 5 seconds. When you see the icon start to flash, that means it's in pairing mode. From there, you go into your hub, add device. There it is. Now you're all set. Now that your device has been installed, these are the features you'll see. Now that you have your temperature sensor added to your Nexohub, this is the dashboard where you'll be able to read all of the functions. This will let you know the device state. For example, right now it's normal. If you have a low battery, this will indicate that. Current temperature and the humidity. Here you can also get a history of previous weather conditions by day, month, and year. The Smart Scene function is something you can enable, so if there is a change in temperature, for example, if the weather equals 90 degrees, so the temperature is going up, you can set the app to send you a notification, and it will do that every time the temperature reaches 90 degrees.